I'm having a dinner party tonight, and I'm putting on the final finishing touches to make everything perfect. These are my 3 principal flower arrangements. I'm not using placemats, and I'm also not using a tablecloth because we're downtown and it's a casual vibe, and for me a tablecloth is more formal. These are real sterling silver, and if I were to put the salt in them in advance, it would deteriorate the metal. I have my kitchen salt that I'm gonna use with an index card to fill the shakers. And I'm going to take the madeleines out of their molds. They've hardened beautifully and they have a pretty rainbow splatter on them. And these will go on the table as little decorations, but also little bites. Rainbow splatter napkins to match all the colorful art on the wall. These napkins come folded in quarters, but for dinner, I'm just gonna fold that quarter and place it that's opposite of the menus. These are so fresh. They're little challah bread rolls, and I'm gonna cut them with a serrated knife to use as place card holders. I also wanted a flat napkin fold so that I could place each place card on the place setting. I've just taken this cake out of the refrigerator, cutting it in little quarters. You can already see that we have little tulip strawberries in there. This is cute for a spring celebration, and it's also totally delicious. I'm gonna use these daisy candles, and I just love how they match the glassware. So I prepped my chicken stock. I cut all my crudités. I made my sauce for the cauliflower. I made my dumpling dipping sauce. I chopped all my lettuce. I have my fish from the fishmonger, matzo meal, and I have little dips and fun things like that also. But most of the heavy lifting was done before today. I always have a stockpile of my favorite restaurant appetizers in my freezer in New York. In this case, I have a bunch of dumplings. I have matzo ball soup dumplings. I have all kinds of fun dumplings in case of last minute guests, or also in case of planned parties like tonight. Now I need to finish cooking, and then the guests arrive.